Namaste friends, I am Dr. Rashmi Gupta. I have brought guided meditation for self-healing and self-protection for you. Friends, there is no need to panic in any situation. According to law of attraction, we receive the same vibration that we send to the universe. That's why even if we panic, then also we have to send only positive vibrations in the universe. For example, I am healthy, happy, protected and positive, or I have health, wealth, success, peace and prosperity. Let's start the meditation. Sit comfortably. You can cross your legs or you can sit on the chair also. Keep your back straight. Put your both hands on your thighs. You can sit in Dhyan Mudra, that is, join your index finger and thumb with the remaining 3 fingers open. If your mind gets distracted during the meditation, then come back to meditation by focusing on your breaths. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Keep your attention on your third eye. Now feel from the source of supreme power a white colored divine light is coming on your body and it enters into your head very slowly and goes down to forehead, eyes, nose, ear, cheeks, teeth, tongue and came to chin, and it is energizing each and every cell of your body and you feel very happy, very fresh and very energetic. Our immunity is increasing continuously. We became stronger and healthier. Now this light is flowing through your neck and coming to all chest organs, esophagus, heart, lungs, backbones and all other organs, and giving energy to all organs. You feel joy, freshness and more active. Your immunity is getting stronger. Now this energy is going to all abdominal organs. Energy is going to liver, stomach, spleen, kidney, backbones, intestines and all other organs. You are getting more powerful and feeling more calm and fresh. Now this divine light is coming to our hip, thighs, knees, legs, ankles and foot. Our legs are feeling very powerful and feeling very energetic. Now this energy is rotating between your head and toes in a circular manner, which energizes each and every cell of our body. We all are feeling more active, more vital, and more cheerful. Now feel that you are surrounded by the cone of a white light. Now visualize that you are healthy, happy, protected, and positive in this cone of light. Only positive energy can enter in the cone. Any type of negativity, virus can't penetrate this. If there is any negativity or disease in the body, it will leave. Now feel that your aura is expanding continuously. Your aura emits positive vibrations which are making you, your family, your environment, country, and this earth positive. As the earth is healing and earth energy is becoming positive, so is our energy getting positive, and we are getting more and more healthy. The people on the earth have become healthy, and everyone is taking care of the earth too. Now imagine yourself in a protective shield and repeat thrice. I am healthy, happy, protected, and positive. I am healthy, happy, protected, and positive. I am healthy, happy, protected, and positive. I am physically, mentally, and emotionally healthy. I am physically, mentally, and emotionally healthy. I have health, wealth, success, peace, and prosperity. Visualize it to be happening. Now bring your attention to your palms and feel the sensations. Now bring your attention to your head and feel the energy entering your body. Now feel your breaths coming in and going out. With each inhalation, positive energy is coming, and with exhalation, negative energy is going out. Now focus on your heartbeats. Your heart is functioning properly. Now bring your attention to your cervical bones and thyroid. Now focus on your backbones. All your bones are completely healthy. Now bring your attention to your navel. With each breath, navel is coming in and going out. Now bring your attention to your hips. All movements are completely fine. Now focus on your knee joints. Visualize that you can sit on the floor with crossed legs and can stand up without any support. Now focus on your soles of feet and feel that positive energy from the earth is entering your body and continuously healing you. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. All movements are completely fine. Now focus on your elbows. Your elbows are completely healthy. Now focus on your palms and feel the sensation. Now feel the energy expansion in your body. Feel more protected, more healthy. Your mind feels very calm and positive. Your immunity has increased to a great extent. Now feel the universe is blessing you with showers of flowers. You are feeling very poised, happy, peaceful, and positive. Rub your palms and put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly with the feeling of gratitude towards the universe. I thank the earth's energy and universal energy. I thank the gods, angels, divine souls, and guides. I also thank all of you. Stay healthy and stay protected. Do this meditation twice a day and recite the affirmation anytime and as much as you want. Your aura can be increased by drinking charged water. Drink water after chanting the affirmation. I am healthy, happy, protected, and positive. Thank you.